Okay, so let's see how we, oops. All right, nothing. All right, so let's see how we did on the warm up. So it said find all missing measurements in the diagram above, round measurements to the nearest hundredth place. Okay, so all measurements includes the angle, which again from yesterday comes from the angle sum of a triangle. Angles of a triangle add up to 180. So you are going to add the 78 and 36, which is 114. Subtract that from 180, and we get 66, I believe. All right. So there's our missing angle. So there we go. Pretty much a free point right there just by using the angle sum of a triangle, which hopefully is pretty forward. Now we set up our extended proportion. Okay. Now we look at our side length, which is 28, and that's opposite the 66-degree angle. So that is going to be, all right, our middle one. So you can pick either B or C then to be the one on the left. So when we set it up, all right, we can again put the segment, the side, or the angle on top. It's not going to matter. So if I take, let's say little b, all right, which is over here, segment AC, and I put that over, all right, the sine of the angle opposite it. Okay. Then in the middle, I'm going to put the A because that seems to be the one that has both the angle and the segment. So that's going to be 28 over sine of, oops, not going to do it. So we got to create a fraction. So 28 over the sine of 66. All right. And then we create a third fraction with the third one, all right, which is little letter C over here. And that is opposite the 36-degree angle, so sine 36. All right. So now we're going to cross multiply. All right. If we went to the first one, that involves B. B is going to be multiplied by sine 66. All right. So B times sine 66. You don't have to put the parentheses. I'm just doing that to separate. Equals 28 times the sine of 78. All right. To solve for B, I'm going to divide both sides by sine 66. That way it cancels out. So B equals, and we create another fraction. All right. And that's going to give me 28 sine 78 divided by sine of 66. Everything else is done in the calculator. So I'm going to do 28 sine 78. And then divide that by the sine of 66. And B comes out to be 29.98, which rounded to nearest hundredths place, all right, would be 29.98. All right. And then do the same thing to get C, which is over here. C is going to be multiplied by the sine of 66 again. All right. And this time it's going to be 28 times the sine of 36 when we cross multiply. All right. I'm then going to divide both sides by the sine of 66. So C equals, create myself another fraction. Created two fractions. C equals 28 sine 36 divided by the sine of 66. I again return to my calculator. 28 sine 36. That would give me 16.46 approximately. Divide that by the sine of 66. And we get 18.01, which rounded to the nearest hundredths place would be 18.02 because the number after it is bigger than 5. So my net result, C equals 18.02. All right. And that's basically what we're looking for. This is the part that is mandatory to show when you take the quiz on Friday. The ratio, this is all the work you can show if you'd like, and you can submit it in Google Classroom when you're done. All right. And then we will go from there. All right. Hope that helped for those of you who struggled with it. If not, if you're doing good, then keep doing well. All right.
Why are you drinking coffee now?